Hello, my loves, and today I was just thinking like there are many girls are teenage which are watching me, and like they would like to know like how to take care of their young skin, which is like now developing, is in the stage of developing, and how to take care of that skin. So I just thought, let me just see what all stuff I have and I use, like when I was that younger age, the things that I used to go with. So these I have just laid down some of the things which will help your skin if you are a teenage, and which are the things you must go on using. Means your skin is okay, just take a drill, like your skin is in new condition, like there are like pimples happening, hormone changes and all. You are just you're just figuring out your life, and and that time skin just breaks out too much. And touch wood, where is the wood? I cannot find the wood. Touch wood that my skin is not been so harsh when I was in teenage, and I started to taking care of it, like by little I started it. So when you are a teenager, you must follow the rule called CTM. CTM full form is cleanser, toner and moisturizer. This is the basic thing you can do. You can start doing this to your skin from early age. So CTM is like works from the early stage, and then you can invest in some other things you want, but this is like a basic and must thing for like teenagers. So I will recommend one of my favorite face washes, which is from the Face Shop. You can see it's the Rise Water Bright. I think Face Shop is available in many countries, and I think so. So let's hope if this is there. This is very mild on skin. It's like a gentle on your skin. It's foaming. Yeah, it is a foaming face wash, which any foaming face wash just cleanses your face, like removes all the dirt particles, and like whole day if you've been out, and it just cleanses everything from your face. So this is foaming cleanser by our Face Shop, the Face Shop Rise Water Bright. So this is, it does brighten up your skin if you are looking for that. So this is the best one, like my favorite. And after that, toner is a must. Any toner can work, even a rose water if you have in your home, it can work. This is by Wow Lavender. My kind of favorite scents are lavender. Anything lavender, I just love it. So this is by Wow, and this is an Indian brand. I don't think this is available outside, but Face Shop is there because that is a Korean brand and it's there in many countries, I think so. And this is a Indian based brand, and this is like a lavender and rose both. So this is very mild on skin. And what does a toner do? It just tighten up your pores, which is very important when you are a teenage. So this toner, never skip on a toner cleanser. And then I'm going to show which is my favorite currently. This is by Biotic Morning Nectar, which is very affordable and an Indian brand. I don't know if it's there outside. No, it's not there. It is an Indian based brand. And this is Morning Nectar, which is my favorite these days. I cannot stop using it. And what is the price? It's for 200, and you get such a big quantity of this. It's never finishing, and it does have like 30 SPF already in it. So if you're in the home, this is the best. Never skip on the, what is this, never skip on any of your sunblock or sunscreens. So this is the best if you're in the home, and if you're just a starter, so this is the one you should invest in. You have to think about your pockets also, teenage girls. So this is a pocket friendly moisturizer, and it does work. It just gives the glass like skin. It's the best. So go on and buy this one. So this is the basic thing, like cleanser, toner, and a moisturizer. This is the basic for teenagers. And if you're a little like me and want to experiment little more with your skincare, so you can go ahead and buy some scrubbing is also important. And if you are a teenage, do not just scrub every day. Do not do that. Start up by doing it like once in a week, twice in a week max. Do not scrub more than that. Scrub always helps to remove your dead skin cells, whatever the gunk is there in your skin, it just removes that. So scrub is also important. If you are little like me, go and buy a scrub if you want to. So I would suggest, this is by Everyuth, and this is Pure and Light Tan Removal Scrub, which is very nice. This one is very mild, and this is a chocolate scrub which smells divine. So this is very mild. This is not harsh on your skin, because scrub can also give tear your skin, which can be not seen like this, but in the microscope and all, it is visible that tears are there. In a long run, it can produce a fine lines and all, which we don't want it. So this is very mild. So if you're a teenager, go for like a mild scrubs. And if you're little like me, yes, this is St. Ives Energizing Coconut and Coffee Scrub. Many controversies are there about this. People do not like using it on a face. People like to rather scrub their body with this, but I'm guilty and I like using on my face, which I don't know it's good or no, but it does brighten up your skin in one go, and it does remove every gunk from your skin. But do not just scrub it like harshly on your skin. Go with little less pressure on your skin. And I love this one, and the smell is like coconut, and anything coconut I love. So this one is also my favorite. It's by St. Ives. And then if you want to invest in like a serum, because I know when you are a teenager and your skin tend to break out because of that hormones and thing, you're figuring out your life and all that thing. So this serum is by Body Shop, the Body Shop Tea Tree. So this is really nice when you have the active acne on your face, because I had recently here and I applied it on the night, and the next morning it dries out your acne. It does. So for the teenage, I do suggest like the Body Shop Tea Tree serum, which really clear out your acne. So I don't suggest like go on to like heavy serums and all in the early age. Never buy the oil-based serums, because your skin is just too much young for that heavy serums. If you're interested in serums, because serums does look very fancy, and teenagers are always into fancy things, so go for this. It will rather help you and look, and it's nicely appealing also and suitable for blemished skin, because yes, teenagers do tend to get too much involved in these things. And then sunblock. This is very new for me, and I've came to know that sunscreen is really important for you. Even if you're a teenager, even if you're like a grown up, go for sunscreen in the early stages. It will just help you in the long run. It will just make your skin better. There is no going back. So this is the Ultra Sheer by Neutrogena, which is very famous in India, by the way. There are like too many reviews about it, so I got this one. It has SPF of 50 plus, PA+++, ultra light clean feel. Yeah, it doesn't give you a white cast or anything. It does get absorbed in your skin. So yeah, this is dermatologically tested and water resistant, which is a boom. Yes, go for like a water resistance or sweat resistant. These are the things you have to see in your sunscreen. And how much, like SPF of more than 30 you must buy. More than 30 is like no use, it's just a cream. Go for like 50, like 60, 70, go for the higher SPFs. It is a bit expensive, but it is good for your skin, so do invest in a sunscreen. So this was that. And if you want to experiment a little more like me, go ahead and buy some mask, which is a good thing. So I would suggest for a teenager, like this is the Body Shop British Rose. It's for only plumping your skin. That's what you like, right? Well, that's what any girl like. It just hydrates your skin and plumps it. Nothing, no drama and nothing. And the consistency, it's like a gel. You can see it going to finish it. So it's like a gel consistency, and it is very good, very like teenagery type. Like, it feels good your skin, it plumps your skin, it just looks hydrated, young and fresh. So this one I would suggest for a teenage girl, like British Rose. And if you're like my age also, go ahead and buy. But you are new in this mask thing in your life, so go ahead and invest in this one. You'll love it. And for my Indian girls, Mamaearth is not there, and outside I guess this is also India based industry. So this is from Mamaearth Upton face masks, which is very dirty, by the way. I'm very sorry. Upton face masks, this is also very famous, and this is a budget friendly face mask. This is like for $4.99 on discounts you can get it like for $4.50, $4.30 or something. So this is a really good Upton face mask. Go ahead and grab it. So yeah, these were the things like I wanted to tell you about the teenager things. But the main things, do not forget, is CTM, cleansing, toning and moisturizing. These are the basic things for teenager, and these are plus, and that were the plus things which you can add it to give you more pleasure into this skincare thing, because I don't think so girls are even thinking about skincare in this age when you're a teenage 15-16. But you must take care of your skin whatever age you are, and this you are just going to begin. So these are the things, CTM. So this was a video. Please do like my video and subscribe to my channel. I just went off, but I will go on. Yeah, and please do follow me on Instagram. Links are in my description below. I shall see you next time. Bye bye.